You need to be able to believe in what you're doing, and Don believes it. And I liked what he talked about, how he'd been in the business and conquered it and climbed to the top of the mountain, seen the view, and then when it came time to retire. So, he was like, why should I quit now? I got all this knowledge. Let me dump it on people.
Because I actually submitted my applications before when they weren't hiring, so I guess they had that archived, and she called me and told me about this class, and she said it was totally free. So I thought I should do the program. So I did. It's really awesome. I really like it.
So I've had a lot of success stories of people that have taken and said, Don, you absolutely changed my life. And that's what's really in it for me. I was able to retire, and I'm able to retire successful enough that I didn't have to go to work. But I've worked and been busy all my life and couldn't stop. So that's why I do this. Now, I do take them people, I bring them in, I train them, I get them all set, I send them to a dealership, and they get placed almost every time. Now, the dealer pays me for having done that for the salesperson. They appreciate my training, they appreciate the knowledge that I have of the business, and therefore they're willing to pay me to train the salesperson. I don't have any fees whatsoever, not for the book, not for the class, not for the placement to the person being placed. So it's a very successful model of getting people into a new career.